Hello viewers, welcome to something exciting, something new to the industry, something you did not expect to hit your doorstep, the MLife Podcast, where you did not only get to know about the products and services, but you get to know about the insides of Madison Life. You get to know more about the staff, who have special guests, who have surprises, not only for you, but for me too, and I'm excited. And for the first ever episode, we are joined by someone special, who I will let introduce herself. As for me, I'm your host, Evans Chavala Kachusha. Let's get right into it.
Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's a pleasure to have you. My name is Agnes Nyondo Chakonta. I'm the CEO for Madison Life Insurance Company. Madison Life is a life insurance company that provides services that cater across all the stages of life for individuals and families and corporates.
Great. Thank you so much. So I've got a few questions for you that will help the viewers get to understand why we've created this podcast. Who is Madison Life? Who are the staff? What are you going to be bringing to us on this particular podcast? Yes. So the first one, we would like to find out what inspired you to start this podcast?
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Evans. Like I said, we're a life insurance company, and we offer services that are really targeting individuals, families, corporates, employee benefit products, really products around a human being. We always are seeing a human being as an asset that needs to be taken care of, that needs to be nourished, that needs to be provided for. So we thought through this podcast, we'll be able to reach out to people across all the stages of life, or from all angles
all
of
different
life.
ages. Yes,
That's why we thought we should do a podcast, because it's one way of interacting with the viewers, so that they get to know more about us, and we also get to know more about them, because we expect that from the podcast we should have some reaction, and then as we react to them and answer their questions, queries, I'm sure we'll be interacting and getting to know them better.
Yes. No, I like how you've even ended it, which brings me to the second question of how would this podcast build trust and credibility between us and the viewers, because you have mentioned that there'll be interactions, because when we do post the podcast, people get to interact with us in the comments, they'll get to know us more. How would this podcast, this program, actually build that trust and credibility?
First, to start with, it will help us open up more to our customers and would-be customers. We are really talking to both segments, customers and would-be customers. It will open us more in the sense that we'll be sharing about our products. We'll talk about our products. We'll also talk about our the staff will also talk about themselves. We'll also talk about our values, our processes, and everything about MLife. So it's a way of which we'll open up to them. And we think as we open up to them, for them to understand us better, they will create a level of trust and assurance, in the sense that they will understand us more. And then as they react to us, we'll also understand them more. One of the challenges that we have in our environment, Zambia in particular, is the fact that there's this mistrust between society and the insurers. They always think the insurers are not open, they don't tell you the truth at the beginning. There's a fine print always in question. But what we want to do through this podcast is openly talk about our products. We'll talk about the terms and conditions. We'll talk about things that we should avoid whenever we have a product, or we should know about, so that we don't think that we're covered. Once we understand a product fully and its terms and conditions, when it comes to claiming, when one meets a calamity and they come through to make a claim, you'll find that it will be a straight through process. That way people will trust us more, and will be assured that we are open and we're giving them value for their money.
No, I do like that. I do like what they get to expect. I was actually about to ask you what people actually expect, the viewers. Who is the target audience? Who is our target audience for this particular podcast?
The podcast is for everyone.
Okay.
I would say worldwide. Whoever wants to listen to us should listen. And also our Zambian market in particular.
Yes.
And the Zambians internationally. Basically, these are being targeted because the message is for them. For the Zambian people, we are operating in Zambia. We want them to understand us more and create that trust. For the people out there, Zambians who are in diaspora, maybe they're looking for a product back home.
Yes.
I think they should be able to get that information. And then worldwide, whoever, it's a global world now.
Yes.
Whoever wants to buy a policy and they think it's meeting their needs, they're also welcome. And also just to add to the aspect of financial literacy.
Yes.
You don't know where it's landing. Whoever is listening to it should be able to pick a point or two.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you heard that, and you did mention financial literacy. Maybe I would ask, combining that with the target that you mentioned, that what we offer covers each and every individual from whatever age segment. Is it a baby? Is it a teenager? Is it someone who's old age? What products do you have? Maybe you can mention three on these particular 3 stages. When I'm a baby, yes, teenager to maybe, is it teenage to maybe the 35, 30, then maybe something for those in retirement. Yes. Okay.
Evans, you know that we have a slogan, protecting you all the way.
Yes, we do.
From birth to death. Yes. That means we have products that really meet every stage of life of an individual, and we pride in that. From birth, we do have the baby present product, which parents can buy for their children or guardians for their children, their dependents, and this one really is more of a savings plan. You can save for your child up to the time they get to age 18, they become an adult. There's a lump sum paid out. A lot of people use this for education, university education mainly. The teenagers, as they're moving on, parents can buy endowment products, which is a multi-purpose product. It's a 10-year plan, and parents can encash them. For the young people, we have the Madison cash plan, which pays out every 5 years. I know the young people want something that is able to they're able to get something in it as fast as possible. It will pay out every 5 years. So if you are young out there, maybe I'll think of those who want to get married. Please get a Madison cash plan, and it will pay out when it's time to pay your lobola.
I tell you.
For the aged, we're talking personal pension plan, which they can buy for their retirement. We're also talking about the funeral plan. At the end of the day, there will be that day when we just have to be buried, each one of us.
Like you said, life to death, yes.
So those are the products we have.
You actually heard it, from life to death. You have one for the children, the teenagers, the old age, the retirement age. Like each and every age segment actually has a product that actually helps everyone. You did mention baby present. I have been seeing on our socials, the Madison Life socials, Facebook, Instagram. I've been seeing Wukata on the baby present. I've been seeing Mordecai on one of the other products, the student health. I did mention to the viewers that we'll have some surprises, some surprise guests. Would they expect those ambassadors to come and join us on this podcast and others as well?
Certainly, Evans. Like I said, it's a way of interacting with our viewers. So it means as many stakeholders as possible need to be met at their different points of need or entertained. So we'll be having all these influencers with us. Bukata should feature and tell us who she is and what sort of product she has and working with. Also Mordecai. I think Mordecai is working a lot with a student. So he'll come through. Maybe he'll give us 1 or 2 songs on this.
I would love that, I'm sure the viewers will too.
So as to bring out the message, but also entertain us. And many others. We'll invite various staff with different talents. We'll ask them also to showcase those. So it will be very exciting.
Very exciting. Like I said, surprises for you, surprises for me. I did not know that we have our staff members show us their talents.
They will.
I can't wait for that. Yeah, so I guess we've reached the end of our first episode. I don't know if you have any remarks you'd like to give the viewers, what they would have to look out for, and any other information.
Okay. Viewers, let me start by saying that we are happy to have you, for you to listen to us, and also we look forward to you interacting with us during this period that we'll be posting our podcasts and interacting with you. Please tune in. We'll be able to advise when and how all these broadcasts will come through to you. But on our social platforms, they'll certainly be there. And if you want any attention or you want any special arrangement, please let us know. The goal is to share information for you to know more about MLife and our products and who we are and why we are there and where we are going, our vision and where we are coming from, so that then you can be able to pick products from us that meet your needs, and you'll be able to see how we can grow together. We're a Zambian company. We believe in empowering people across stages of life, and with that being our goal, we look forward to interacting with you. So please take time to always tune in whenever we put a post. Yeah. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much. I guess you heard it right from the managing director herself. We'll catch you on the next one.